Ever wondered how a simple cup of tea could revolutionize your health? Imagine starting your day with a warm, aromatic beverage that not only soothes your senses but also packs a powerful punch of health benefits. That's exactly what clove tea can do for you. This often overlooked herbal tea is brimming with antioxidants that significantly improve your well-being. Today, we're diving into the amazing benefits of clove tea and why you should start drinking it today. In this video, we'll explore how clove tea can enhance your digestion, boost your immune system, and even help regulate blood sugar levels. Plus, we'll show you how easy it is to make this incredible tea at home. So, stay tuned to discover how incorporating clove tea into your daily routine can be a game changer for your health. Clove tea is made from the dried flower buds of the clove tree, a spice with a rich history and a wealth of health benefits. These small, aromatic buds are more than just a culinary delight. They are a treasure trove of nutrients and natural compounds that can do wonders for your health. When brewed into a tea, cloves release their potent properties, creating a soothing and medicinal beverage that's perfect for any time of day. But what exactly makes clove tea so special? Keep watching to find out how this simple drink can transform your health in ways you never imagined. Used in traditional medicine for centuries, cloves are known for their potent medicinal properties. Ancient civilizations, from the Chinese to the Greeks, recognized the healing powers of cloves, using them to treat a variety of ailments, from digestive issues to toothaches. This historical wisdom is backed by modern science, which confirms that cloves are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Curious about how these tiny buds can pack such a powerful punch? Stay with us as we delve deeper into the incredible benefits of clove tea and reveal why it should be a staple in your wellness routine. Clove tea is packed with antioxidants that help fight free radicals in your body, reducing oxidative stress and promoting overall health. These powerful antioxidants, such as vitamin C and eugenol, can protect your cells from damage and lower the risk of chronic diseases. By incorporating clove tea into your daily routine, you can support your body's natural defenses and enhance your overall well-being. Curious about how these antioxidants work and what other health benefits clove tea offers? Keep watching to discover the full range of benefits and how you can easily brew this amazing tea at home. The anti-inflammatory compounds in clove tea can help reduce inflammation, potentially alleviating symptoms of conditions like arthritis. Imagine soothing those aching joints with a simple, natural remedy. Clove tea's potent anti-inflammatory properties can provide relief from chronic inflammation, making it a great addition to your daily routine. Want to know how this works? Stay with us as we delve into the science behind this powerful benefit. Clove tea aids digestion by stimulating the secretion of digestive enzymes and reducing digestive issues like gas and bloating. If you've ever struggled with digestive discomfort, you know how it can impact your daily life. Clove tea can help ease these issues, promoting smoother digestion and a happier gut. Interested in how clove tea can transform your digestive health? Keep watching to learn more about this and other incredible benefits. Regular consumption of clove tea can enhance your immune system, helping you fend off common illnesses like colds and flu. With its antimicrobial and antiviral properties, clove tea acts as a natural defender against infections. Imagine going through flu season with an extra layer of protection. Curious about how clove tea can boost your immunity? Stick around to find out more about this powerful benefit. The eugenol in cloves acts as a natural pain reliever, which can be particularly effective for toothaches and sore throats. If you've ever had a throbbing toothache or a scratchy sore throat, you know how unbearable the pain can be. Clove tea offers a soothing solution, helping to numb the pain and reduce inflammation. Want to learn how to use clove tea for quick pain relief? Stay tuned for some practical tips and tricks. Studies suggest that clove tea can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk. Managing blood sugar is crucial for maintaining good health, and clove tea can play a significant role in this. By improving insulin function and reducing blood sugar spikes, clove tea offers a natural way to support your metabolic health. Interested in how to incorporate this into your diet? We'll explore this in more detail, so don't go anywhere. Clove tea can help clear your respiratory tract, making it easier to breathe and reducing symptoms of respiratory conditions. Whether you struggle with asthma, bronchitis, or seasonal allergies, clove tea can provide much-needed relief. Its expectorant properties help loosen mucus and clear congestion, making it easier to breathe. Want to know how to brew the perfect cup of clove tea for respiratory health? We'll show you how in the next section, so stay with us to learn the secrets of this amazing tea. To make clove tea, you will need whole cloves, water, and optional sweeteners like honey or stevia. This simple yet powerful combination creates a tea that is both flavorful and packed with health benefits. Imagine sipping on a warm cup of clove tea, knowing that you're boosting your health with every sip. Ready to learn how to make this incredible tea at home? Follow these easy steps and you'll be enjoying clove tea in no time. Step 1. Boil water in a pot. Step 2. Add a teaspoon of whole cloves to the boiling water. Step 3. Let it simmer for 5–10 minutes, allowing the cloves to release their beneficial compounds into the water. Step 4. Strain the tea into a cup, removing the cloves. Step 5. Add honey or stevia if desired and enjoy. It's that simple. Curious about how you can customize this tea for even more benefits? Stick around, as we'll share some exciting variations and tips to make your clove tea experience even better. For best results, drink clove tea in the morning to kickstart your day or in the evening to relax before bed. Imagine starting your day with a soothing cup of clove tea, setting the tone for a healthy and energized morning. Or winding down in the evening with a warm mug of clove tea, helping you relax and unwind after a long day. Curious about how this simple change in your routine can make a big difference? Keep watching to discover the best times to enjoy clove tea for maximum benefits. You can also blend clove tea with other herbal teas like ginger or chamomile for added benefits. The combination of cloves with other herbs can create a powerhouse of health benefits in a single cup. Imagine savoring a delicious blend of clove tea with hints of ginger or the calming aroma of chamomile. Want to know how to create your own custom tea blend? Stay tuned as we share some exciting recipes and ideas for enhancing your clove tea experience. Limit your intake to 1–2 cups per day to avoid potential side effects like mouth irritation or digestive issues. While clove tea offers numerous health benefits, moderation is key to enjoying its advantages without any drawbacks. By sticking to a sensible dosage and frequency, you can reap the rewards of clove tea without experiencing any unwanted effects. Want to learn more about the ideal dosage and how to incorporate clove tea into your daily routine safely? We'll cover all this and more in the upcoming segments, so don't miss out on these essential tips. While clove tea is generally safe, excessive consumption can cause mouth irritation or digestive discomfort. It's important to enjoy clove tea in moderation to avoid any potential side effects. Imagine sipping on a perfectly brewed cup of clove tea, knowing that you're reaping its benefits without any unpleasant consequences. Want to learn more about how to enjoy clove tea safely and responsibly? Stay tuned as we share important precautions and tips to ensure a positive experience with clove tea. Pregnant women, children, and people with certain medical conditions should consult their healthcare provider before drinking clove tea. Safety always comes first, especially when it comes to herbal remedies. By consulting with a healthcare professional, you can ensure that clove tea is suitable for your individual health needs. Curious about who should take extra precautions with clove tea? Keep watching as we delve into this important topic and provide guidance for a safe and enjoyable tea drinking experience. Clove tea is a powerhouse of health benefits, from boosting your immune system to aiding digestion and reducing inflammation. In this video, we've explored the incredible benefits of clove tea and how it can be a game changer for your well-being. By incorporating this simple yet potent herbal tea into your daily routine, you can experience a wide range of positive effects on your health. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health tips, and leave a comment below if you've tried clove tea or have any questions. Also, consider adding my #1 medical garden kit in the description below for herbal remedies in your backyard, and improve your healthy living lifestyle. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.